Hi everyone, I'm Dr.G.R.Physio, working as Assistant Professor and Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R.Physio Education Research Institute. I'm working here for the past 8 years. Today I'm going to talk about Noroxon wireless EMG. So this Noroxon wireless EMG is supplied by Aero Private Limited. The cost of this machine is around 15 lakhs. So this machine comes with this setup. It has got a modem, jockey station, okay, and it has got 8 sensors. These are the sensors. So we have got 8 similar sensors, and apart from this we have got the insoles. These are the insoles. So we have got four insoles like this. So what this Noroxon EMG help us to find out is, we can find out the voluntary contraction of the muscles. You can find out at least 8 muscles, the contraction of 8 muscles during any activity of daily living at a time. Apart from that, you can also analyze the gait parameters, the balance, the coordination of the muscles during the gait analysis. So that is what we are going to see today. So getting into the thing, what we have to do first is, so you have got to connect this this jockey station with the modem, and then you have to connect this to the system. You also got a software, an inbuilt software that comes along with the purchase of this machine. So this is the software. So now I'm going to show how to measure the voluntary contraction for an biceps muscle. Now to assess the contraction of the biceps muscle, what we have to do is, this is the surface electrode, okay. We have to fix the surface electrode at the motor point of the biceps muscle, okay, and then connect a sensor with this electrode. So you have a connecting electrodes, leads, and we can use this double tape to fix it near the muscle. So this is how we have to fix for any muscle. So I have shown this for the biceps muscle. For all the muscles we have to fix the sensor and the electrodes in this way. So after we fix it, what we have to do is, we have to start measuring the motor voluntary contraction of the muscle in this way. So once we fix, we have to start measuring using this. So you can see the sensor is activated now. So what we have to do is, we have to give record. To record any test, we have to give record. So once we start recording, ask the person to do the voluntary contraction of the muscle. Do the action of elbow flexion. Yes. So you can see, as the person does the flexion, more number of motor units are recruited in the pattern. Relax. Come to a relaxed position. Yes. So in the relaxed position, you can see a lesser number of motor units getting recruited, whereas in a fully contracted stage, there will be more number of motor units that gets contracted. So this is how we assess for a particular muscle. So here we end stop the test. We can save and review the report whenever we need the report. So while analyzing the reports, you can see at the front page, you will see the recruitment pattern, and at the next page, you can find the mean amplitude of the contraction, motor unit action potential, the mean amplitude of the motor unit action potential. So this is how we do. So what we can see or what we can do with the help of this is, so whenever we find a weakness of any muscle, we can use this as a biofeedback method for the person. We can either use it for the research purpose. During your pre-test analysis, you can analyze the motor unit action potential and the recruitment pattern in the pre-test, and after you give the treatment, you can analyze the post motor unit action potential and the recruitment patterns. So we can come to a conclusion of how efficient is your treatment. So that is what we can find out with this. When we use this as a biofeedback, you can show the monitor to the patient and ask him to perform the action in such a way that he makes a more number of motor units getting contracted. So that is what we can do using this EMG when it is connected as a muscle, when we assess it for the muscles. Now we will see how this insoles will be used in wireless EMG. So we have to insert this insoles into the footwear of the patient. So probably ask the patient to wear a footwear like shoes that is comfortable for the patient, and then insert this insoles inside the shoes. After inserting the insoles into the shoes, connect this sensors into the insoles and make the sensor to touch any part of the skin and the foot. Once it is set up, we can go to the measure in the system, ask the patient to walk and follow the command that we do. Once the insole is connected, we have to activate the insole on the system. That is the software over the system. So for that, we have to ask the patient to stand on one leg. That will be popping up in the monitor. So when you get stand on right, we have to ask the patient to stand on the right foot, and when on the left, you have to ask the patient to stand on the left foot. After that, give activate, the insole will get activated. Once the insole gets activated, you can ask the patient to walk, jog, or do any kind of gait testing. So the areas with red denote the highest pressure points, followed by orange, yellow, green, and then blue the least pressurized areas. To see the gait parameters. Stance phase, load phase, remote support phase, pre-swing phase, swing phase, initial swing, stance duration, and swings duration. And for each parameters, we can find differently for the left and the right, and the difference between both. And the gait parameters like the stride and the cadence. So this is how we will see insole gait.